Hey friends, Miss Dow here in my full-on Spirit Week attire. I got my Washington t-shirt on, I got a tie-dye bandana, I got my favorite sunnies, my crazy hair. Oh, look at that, I grew a mustache. Ooh, I know, I look pretty awesome. But let's get down to business, okay? We are here to talk about continuous learning. Remember, if you come to the website and scroll down, you're going to come to all the grade levels. Pick any grade from preschool to 5th grade and you'll get the same information. All right, so if I go to kindergarten and scroll down to the specials tab, click here, you're going to get all of your weeks. This is week 5, in case if you've lost count. And that is going to look like this when you pull it up. And for this week, your visual arts lesson is all about mood. What's your mood and how you feeling? And try to turn that into some art. You got a couple links here to help you out with that. And I want to walk you guys through the presentation right now. So your first step is going to be exploring and thinking about the mood, all right? So artists share their feelings and emotions in their art by creating moods. Artists use colors and lines to help them show feelings. You've got a few visuals down there to show you how different artists might use different colors for your emotions and lines. Okay, so exploring, number 1. Number 2 is going to be your creating step. Right here, you've got a great video of an art teacher showing you how you could do this lesson, and also a special appearance in the video by someone some of you might remember, Mrs. Scott. She used to be the counselor at Washington. She's there to help talk about emotions and how you can use them for art. And then your third step is, of course, to reflect. So what did you include in your moody artwork and why? And how did you make your moody artwork? And what did you learn? You can share those thoughts to your parents, a stuffed animal, a sister, a brother, or you know what? You could even bring it to a Zoom meeting to show or post it on Seesaw. All right, guys. Now the other resource you've got here is if you're wanting more art experiences, you can bring up the Art Choice Board Challenge. There's tons of ideas from character exchange to origami to virtual tours, creating a font, all kinds of stuff here. So that is going to be more if you need more. All right. Now, what I want to show you guys next is my landscape that I created from last week's lesson. So week 4's assignment was to create a landscape. And I thought about how Bob Ross is always talking about happy little trees and happy little clouds. And I decided to illustrate that in my own style. I used Sharpie to outline my drawing. And then I used regular washable markers to draw around the edges really hard and with a lot of marker ink. And then a wet paintbrush with just clean water. I used it to move the marker ink around kind of like paint. So that's what gave it this watercolory kind of look. It's just all marker though. Okay. All right. And I wanted to show you guys in person what it looked like. Because guess what? It's big. And I didn't have any paper this long. So what I did, again, kind of like last week, I used a shopping bag. This is actually from Russell Stover's. And I cut it open so that it created a long piece of paper for me. So that's another cool way to get you some good heavy paper for painting on and get it all kinds of sizes. All right, guys, I hope you had fun making your landscapes. Again, I would love to see those on Seesaw. And this week, start thinking about what kind of mood do you want to make a picture about? How you feeling and how can you turn that into art? All right, I miss you guys and I love you so much. Take care.